Yeah, good afternoon, YouTube. So one of the products I make is I do greaseable spring shackle bolts. So I've got four 14 by 110 spring shackle bolts that I need to drill. So the first thing I do is run a center drill into the head, and then I'll show you what I do afterwards. Yeah, so the next thing I do is I turn a little groove to let the grease out, and I center punch hole that I'm going to cross drill to let the grease come out, and then the last step will be gun drilling down to there. That's why you do the cross drill first, because then I can feel when I've got the depth right on the gun drilling. So I'll get those holes started and show you what it looks like. Yeah, so now I'm cross drilling the bolt. This lets the grease come out of the hole. So I've got the center drill there, so I like to do the cross drill, and then I go down and do the gun drill down the center of the bolts. We'll get these all drilled and then back to the lathe. Okay, now we're gun drilling the bolt. We're about close to 2 inches to drill into a hardened class 10.9 bolt, so that's lots of backing out and clearing the chips and adding oil to try to preserve the drill bit and keep it cool. So I'll show you what they look like at the end. Yeah, one thing I find really helpful with drilling these deep holes, I have this oiler with a little needle tip on it, and that really helps to get the oil up into the end of the hole there. Now it cuts, once you get through the head, it's a lot softer. I think the head gets hardened. Yeah, that's drilling pretty good now. Also sharpened the bit up a little bit. So yeah, it takes a while to drill these deep holes like this. So I'll show you what's next on the menu. Yes, this is the last machining step on these greaseable bolts. I run a 1/4 28 fine thread tap in there, which is the thread pitch on my grease fittings. Once I get those done, we screw in the fittings and it's ready to go. I'll show you what they look like when they're finished. And there we go, got the grease fitting in, got a couple more to put in there, and we'll be all ready to ship this order out. Once I get the last bolt, I had one bolt didn't work, so I have to order a replacement. These are class 10.9 hardened bolts, and they were pretty tough to drill and ended up breaking off a bit inside one of them. So until I can figure out how to get the broken bit out of there, I guess I got to get a new bolt and drill the new ones. Almost done with this order. And there we go, got the grease fitting in that bolt, got this one ready. Cleaned out the inside, blew it out with my air gun, and everything's nice and clean. Got the fittings in there. And then this cross drill is where the grease comes out, and then there's just a tiny groove run around there to let the grease spread around the inside of the spring bushing when it's in place. So that works pretty good. Another set of greaseable bolts ready to ship out to the customer. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put that in the comments section below. And as always, thanks for watching.